GiveMeTap. GiveMeTap is a non-profit scheme that encourages people to drink tap water instead of buying plastic bottles. The concept works like this. People buy a bottle made from recycled aluminium from the GiveMeTap website and take it into any cafe which has signed up to the scheme. The bottle is then filled with tap water for free, thus reducing plastic waste. Added to this, the money from bottle sales goes towards helping communities in Africa install clean water pumps. Edwin Brony Mensah, the founder and CEO of GiveMeTap, came up with the idea while he was at university. After working out, he often had difficulty finding places where he could get free tap water. After being refused refills by countless cafes and restaurants, he remembered his dad's stories of growing up in Ghana with little or no access to clean water. Edwin recruited as many cafes, shops and restaurants that were willing to provide free water as he could. He added them to a digital map and the water network was born. There are now around 800 locations in the network that will refill water bottles for free. People can find their nearest tap locations by downloading the free GiveMeTap app. Is there a similar initiative where you live? What do you do to reduce the amount of plastic waste we produce?